Good morning class. Today we will discuss about your third unit first lesson Puru the Brave. So Puru is the king name. So we will see the introduction. Alexander, king of Macedonia. So Alexander, you know, the famous king. He defeated Persia, Greece, France and all. He is a very big king. Big king and named king. So he is a king of Macedonia, and Puru the king of northern India. So India has four parts, no? So north side Maharashtra, that is the Bihar and all the northern India full the ruling by this Puru king. And here that is a war done between these two countries or two kingdoms, that is not countries, kingdoms. These two, that is Alexander kingdom and Puru kingdom, a war done between these two kingdoms. And here Alexander was that is he got a victory, and here Puru was defeated, that is Puru was defeated by Alexander, and the war name is Jhelum. So here after the war, the Alexander is sitting in his kingdom, that is in the banks of the Jhelum, and he is talking with his generals. So here four generals. So Alexander was sitting in the upper chair, and these generals are sitting in the lower chairs, and soldiers are standing beside them. So a meeting is going on, and the Alexander said that this is the very, that is in the first, that is the first generals, and Alexander is saying that this is the very important and important, not important, it is the very big task for us, that is this war is very memorable to us. And one of his generals says that it will be remarkable in India, and one of his generals state that it is a very remarkable total country, total world. That is, one of his generals said that it is remarkable in India, and one of his generals said that it is remarkable in war in total world. Then Alexander is saying that I too thought that this war is very that is, for me it is very remarkable. And one of his generals said that I thought, that is at the ending of the war I thought but that is the war coming to ending also, they thought that they will defeat, but at the end of the war the Alexander kingdom won the war. So here the general is saying that by the end of the war also I can't, that is we can't decide that we will win the war. Then Alexander is saying that the people of the North India are fighting like a tigers, that is the soldiers of that country is fighting like a tigers, and every soldier is very talented. Then that is the one of his generals said that they are not talented, that is they are that is somewhat they have mistakes. Then the Alexander said that no, I don't agree with you. That angry not. I don't agree. I don't agree with you that every Indian soldier fighted very nicely. Then that is the another general said that that is I am not telling about that fighting skills, but they are not skillful. That is they are they are using only the olden methods, that is they are totally depending upon their animals, that is elephants, and they are not fighting properly. Then Alexander said that okay, I will agree with you, they are not using the best methods, they are only following the ancient methods. Then one of his generals said that the Puru, he is a very brave man, he fighted like a one big man, that is fighted like a very big tiger, that is he injured, he, that is everyone had left the field, but also he is fighting, and he nearly killed 100 members of our men, and he injured many people, and he also injured himself, So that is why we are able to capture him. That is the Puru did a very good work. That is, he injured 100 of the Alexander men, and he killed 100 members, and he injured himself also. That is, some people will come and do that. So he injured himself also. That is why this Alexander kingdom people able to capture him. And Alexander is saying that he is a very brave man and he is a very super talented man. Then one of his generals said that he is too proud. That is, the Puru is a proud man. So here the Alexander said that if a soldier is not a good soldier if he is not proud. Did you understand? If the soldier has no proud, then he is not a soldier, the Alexander is saying. Then one of his generals said that okay, I will take Alexander, that I will take and come Puru to in front of your majesty. So majesty means if we will respectfully call kings as majesty. I will take and come Puru to in front of you, then see how he will behave. Then okay, the Alexander said okay, bring Puru, and I have no, that is, I have no I have no angry on him, that he is a good soldier, and I want him to one of our general in our kingdom. So then Alexander said to that is the generals, and Alexander said to the soldiers that take and come Puru. Then the soldiers went to the Puru and took him to the camp, that is took him to the Alexander camp. And the Alexander said that, did you tied with the chains to Puru? Then the soldier said, oh, yeah, we will be tied with the chains. Then Alexander said that remove it off the chains. He is a good king, and do not that is don't tie chains to him. Then the soldier took all the chains and he brought the Puru into the camp, and he gave a bow to the, that is, bow means he dislike, give a bow to the king, and he went off. Then the Puru is that is, the Alexander is saying that how are you, and that is Puru is good. And then the Alexander is saying that you are feeling sorry to what you did. Then that is Alexander Alexander told that he want to that is, he want to take Puru as is one of his general, but Puru rejected. So here the Alexander is asking, did you feel that you have did any mistake? Did you feel sorry? Then the Puru says that, no sir, I didn't did any mistake, so why I should feel sorry. Then the one of his generals said that, looking, I said, no, he is very brave, he is very proud. And here the Puru says that I am also the king of one kingdom, so I don't want to be a general of your kingdom. I have also if I am in the jail, but my kingdom people treat me as a king only, so I don't want to become a general of your king. Then Alexander says that, okay, you are right, so I don't have any angry on you. We will become a friends, good friends, and we will rule our countries. Then Puru says that, but on one condition. But on one condition, the Puru says. Then what the Alexander says, what is that condition? Then the Puru says that you should not see me as a low, and you should not see me, that is, you should give equal importance to the like you, that is, you are king and I am king, so both should be equally treated. You should not see me as a down people and all. Then the Alexander said that, okay, I agreed for this condition. Then Puru says that, okay, I will that is అంటారు కదా, I will ప్రయత్నం చేస్తా. We are both are friends, so every responsibility and every promise I will do for you, and we will be good friends forever. And both shake their hands and they both become a friends. So here mainly what is the moral is, braveness is very important. So if any situation comes, we should not become that is, we should not become unhealthy not unhappy, or we should not become down. We should think and we should fight for anything. So our braveness will give us good results. So this is all about this lesson. So actually this is a conversation, but through online we could not read a whole conversation, and we could not say because it will take more time. So once if you have textbooks, once read all the conversation, you will definitely understand, and it is a good lesson. And Puru is a brave king, and Alexander is a king of Macedonia. This is all about this lesson. It is a conversation. So read once. Hope you understand. Thank you.